All right, so I'm going to cook some seared salmon, and for me to get a perfect seared salmon is to have my pan hot. I have my pan on 8, which is medium high, and I've let it sit for at least 5 minutes so that when I apply the salmon down, you should hear that sizzle immediately. Now, what I use to season my salmon is steak seasoning. And you can find this at Aldi. I am completely out, but this is what it looks like, and it is delicious. It goes well on fish. It goes on beef, pork, you name it. It tastes delicious. And that's all you need, and it is less sodium than full-blown table salt. Now, because I ran out, I also added some table blend, which is salt-free as well. And I'm going to let this sear for 3 minutes, and do not touch it in order to get that beautiful brown sear. But 3 minutes, and you won't get that brown sear again unless it is on a higher heat setting. So again, on my stove it goes 2, 4, 6, 8, then high. I have mine on 8. Then we'll flip it over for 2 more minutes. Now, if it's thicker, I would do 3 minutes. So a grand total of 5 to 6 minutes, and that is it. Take it off. I'll show you the final results in just a moment. All right, it's been 3 minutes, and it's time to flip. And look at that brown sear. And this gives delicious flavor. Caught myself. I have to show you up close. That beautiful sear. And I'm going to cook it for 2 more minutes. Final results of the pan seared salmon. As you can see, it is pan seared beautifully. And it's paired with a salad that includes cherry tomatoes, strawberries, mini cucumbers that are seedless, eggs, 50% reduced sugar cran raisins, which are basically sweet cranberries, or yes, sweet cranberries, and eggs. So delicious. And I'm going to end up pairing this with probably a honey mustard, but you could do whatever you choose. And I'm going to cut my salmon up into smaller pieces as well to kind of spread throughout the salad. Final results after cutting up that salmon, and it was delicious, guys.